Today we're going to be shooting the UHC spring revolver. You just take a shell and a BB, put it in, open the revolver, put all the shells in, close it, make sure everything's aligned and everything. Stupid birds. Doing this to the camera and I'm not really aiming at anything. I don't even know if you can see the tree. There we go. Cock it, I'll show you the cylinder move and the trigger. Go back. There we go. This gun is not accurate. I don't even know why they put these big target sights on it. And I think there's one more shot. Out of ammo. Now let me show you how I load. I reload. I just take a few BBs, put them in, with the shells still in. I don't waste time and take out the shells. Now let me put you back there. Oh shoot. That's pretty much as fast as I can do in front of the camera. And that's shooting the UHC Spring Revolver 2.5-inch barrel.